Welcome back, folks. In this video, we're going to draw Upgrade from the Ben 10 reboot. It's been a long time since I've drawn a character Okay, let me just start over. It's been a long time since I've drawn a galvanic mechamorph. Bootleg had his run. Now it's Upgrade's turn. Let's get started. Sorry about that. Anyways, if you guys are familiar with Upgrade, for your information, Upgrade was and still is a galvanic mechamorph and one of the Ben 10 originals. Anyways, what known fact about Upgrade, he was only seen in Season 1. And, well, after the episode Innervasion, Upgrade's data pod was gone and was replaced with Shock Rock. There we go. There we go. There's the head. Now we just draw the Omnitrix mark. Anyways, here are the arms here, and here's the chest. So, in the Ben 10 reboot, his body is, well, he's got speaker-like, and let's just say he's got wired exoskeleton, and parts of his body are purple and blue. Well, dark blue, I mean. And, hey, why is that? How come Upgrade is purple in the reboot and not green? In the original show, Upgrade is green. The same goes for his original counterpart. You remember when I drew the original Upgrade? Something tells me that the reboot version of Upgrade should be green. And for starters, I feel like Upgrade should have an Omni-enhanced version of himself. Now we just draw the rest of his body here. There we go. Here's the wires here. Alexa, play Chozetsu Dynamic.
Chozetsu Dynamic from Dragon Ball Super by Alberto Ricuero on Amazon Music.
Okay, let's get started. There's Upgrade's body. There's his extra arm. Upgrade has 2 arms. Known facts: galvanic mechamorphs come in different shapes and forms, but never in different colors. There we go.
Al deshielo de tus ojos al sufrir, ¿qué nombre le puedes dar a la intensa llama que hay dentro de ti? Desintegra toda oscuridad. Eso debe ser la vida. Que suene fuerte el don, que comience la lucha. Disfruto la tensión y el peligro en el aire.
There we go. That's how you draw Upgrade. Pretty awesome, huh? You just gotta draw the purple marks here. And if you saw my Surge video, then Surge, he kind of looks like a galvanic mechamorph. Well, except he's the shape of an X. Probably shouldn't have told you that in my last video because the volume was muted. Humble apologies for that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll show you guys next. Stegosaurus, see you later.